Today I'm taking a look at the SK 23-piece 12-point SAE and metric combination wrench set. Oh, that's interesting. So they actually have two pouches for it. That's pretty rare. Most of the time they just put everything in one big pouch. I actually prefer seeing it this way because most of the equipment that I work on is either one or the other. So with this, I don't have to carry around all the wrenches. I can just carry around the portion that I need. Oh, hey. So that is pretty nice. So not only is this cut in, it is actually painted on there, so you can really see that. That is very nice. I also like that this is slightly skeletoned out, so it's going to make the entire weight of the wrench a little bit lighter, but it still has a very nice feel to it. And they made up for the hollow by making this a little bit thicker, which is really good for me because that way I can put a lot of pressure on it without having to worry about hurting my hands. We do have a 12-point box end and a regular old open end. We have a very nice chrome plating on here. I'm getting a measurement of 15.15, so just slightly over 15, which is going to be great. So that's going to make it so you can actually slip this thing on. You don't have to fight it, but it's going to have a tight enough tolerance. You're not going to have to worry about it rounding that off. So we got an 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there's absolutely no skips from an 8 up to a 19, which is excellent. Let's go ahead and check the SAE. Oh, that's interesting. So where the metric was green, the SAE is black. That is a very nice touch. Love the look of these wrenches too. Like, you can't look at this and say that's an ordinary wrench. Not many people are going to have anything quite like that in your toolbox, and you're going to be able to see it from a mile away. 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, 15/32, half-inch, 9/16, 19/32, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. That is a very complete set. It is very unusual to see a set that actually comes with a 19/32, or even a 15/32 for that matter. Most of the time they go down to the 16th. This actually goes down to the 32nds all the way up to the 5/8. So a remarkably complete set for that. So if we pull this guy out, there's a very nice weight to it. I love that finish on there. And one thing I notice is that this is nice and thick, which means you're going to have a lot of contact surface from here to that bolt. So that's going to help this wrench grab where a lot of other wrenches might not be able to. It is also slightly offset. You don't have to worry about raking your knuckles when you grab it. And overall, very nice curves in general. These are very attractive looking wrenches. And on the 3/4, we are about 7 thousandths over. 7.5. So excellent tolerances on that wrench. The other thing I like to see is we have a very mild chamfer going from the edge down to the teeth. That's where the surface starts and the teeth begin. That's going to make it much easier to get a bite onto a bolt, even if it is a low profile head. So yeah, those are some pretty sweet tools. Nice variety, easy to work with. I'm happy with that.